everyone! Welcome back. So today's video guys ay pag-usapan naman natin how are we going to earn a cashback using our BPI Amore Cashback Credit Card and BPI Amore Cashback Platinum Credit Card. Okay, so dapat tatandaan lang natin dito guys, meron tayong tatlong percentage na pwede nating makuha as cashback. So una is 1%, may pangalawa is 4%, and pangatlo is 0.30%. Okay, so tandaan nyo na each transaction spend amount is at least 1,000. So kung less than 1,000 yung inyong transaction, of course, hindi yun eligible to earn a cashback. Kailangan ang minimum ay 1,000. Okay? So kailangan lang natin maging aware kung ano-ano yung mga purchases kung saan tayo mag-earn ng 1%, 4%, at 0.30%. So, cardholders of Amore Cashback credit cards are entitled to earn Amore Cashback subject to the following conditions. So, the transaction may be completed as local transaction, or online transaction. A local transaction meaning within the Philippines. And then, the transaction may be availed either as retail or via special installment plan. So, retail, usually sa mga stores din to, na pwedeng, tawag dito, one-time payment, or pwede ring naka-installment siya. Okay? So, the transaction is classified under any of the following merchant categories. So, makikita nyo dyan sa screen nyo guys, yung cashback percentage column and the merchant category code. So, pag 1%, ito daw ay makukuha nating cashback sa mga drugstores transaction natin, like yung mga Mercury, Watsons, etc. And then, utilities. So, kapag tayo nagbabayad ng mga bills, mga internet, Meralco, water bill, ayan. And then, 4% is a grocery store. So, kung lagi kayo nag-grocery like once a month or twice a month, better use your Amore cashback credit card para kayo ay mag-earn ng 4% cashback. And then, yung others categories na hindi nabanggit ay 0.30% ang pwedeng makuha na cashback. Okay? So, let's move on to the Amore Platinum Cashback Credit Card. So, halos the same lang sila guys ng conditions except sa Amore Platinum Cashback Credit Card, kasama po ang international transactions. Okay? So, eto po yung list. Napakahaba ng list guys nung mga cashback, yung 1% cashback sa Amore Platinum. So, hindi ko na siya babasahin isa-isa kasi abutin tayo ng siyam-siyam. So, ililink ko na lang guys sa description below kung saan ko nakuha yung information na to sa website ng BPI. So, babasahin ko na lang yung 4% at saka yung 0.30%. So, meron tayo ditong 4%. So, makukuha daw yung cashback na 4% pag ginamit mo yung Amore Platinum Cashback Credit Card sa mga restaurants, bars, cocktails, lounges, disco, or nightclub. Pwede rin sa mga quick payments like fast food resto, or miscellaneous food store or convenience store as sa mga caterers. So, kung yun yung gagamitin mo, mag-earn ka ng 4%. So, other categories na hindi nabanggit, 0.30% yung pwede mong makuha na cashback. Okay? So, syempre, kailangan alam din natin kung paano ba kinukompute, no, yung cashback natin. So, I will place the sample computation provided by BPI sa kanilang website. So, meron ditong dalawang example for Amore Cashback Credit Card at Amore Platinum Cashback Credit Card. So, unahin natin yung Amore. So, meron ditong, sa first example, is 500 pesos yung transaction niya sa SNR. Self-explanatory, since 1,000 yung minimum, hindi siya mag-earn ng cashback. So, second example is 1,500 yung transaction. So, since 1,500 siya, of course, mag-earn siya ng transaction, and SNR is also a grocery store, kaya 4% yung makukuha na cashback. Pero tatandaan nyo, yung computation niya is, ang kukuhanan lang ng 4% is yung 1,000. Hindi kasama yung butal na 500. Okay? Kaya ang total cashback earn is only 40 pesos. Okay? So, punta tayo sa Amore Platinum Cashback. So, yung first transaction is 700 pesos sa Rustan's department store. Again, self-explanatory, since less than 1,000 siya, it's not eligible for cashback. So, yung next is 10,500 yung transactions niya sa Blackbird Restaurant. So, alam naman natin na pag sa restaurants, 4% yung nakukuha na cashback ng ating BPI Amore Platinum Cashback Credit Card. So, sa computation niya, since may butal na naman na 500, hindi siya kasama sa calculation ng cashback. Kundi, ang kukuhanan lang ng 4% dyan is yung buong 10,000. So, ang 4% ng 10,000 ay 400 pesos. Okay? So, I hope nagets nyo yung paano kinakalculate yung cashback. So, now, let's go to how are we going to redeem the cashback. So, your Earn Amore cashback can be redeemed in increments of 500 pesos through any of the following I will be mentioning. So, ibig sabihin guys, ang minimum na pwede natin na i-redeem na cashback ay 500 pesos. So, if you have an existing BPI online account, magla-login ka lang sa website ni BPI. Doon pupunta ka lang sa BPI Help and Support and you can process your redeem of the cashback. And then, kung wala ka namang BPI online account, it's fine. You can just call them or you can send them a message dun sa Contact Us page sa website ng BPI. Okay? So, yun yung ways para ma-redeem yung ating cashback. So, punta naman tayo dun sa mga things to remember regarding sa cashback natin sa ating BPI Amore credit card. So, ang cashback po ay merong limit. So, hindi siya sky's the limit. Okay? So, ang limit niya ay 15,000 pesos per year. So, once ma-reach mo na yung 15,000, magsa-stop na mag-accumulate yung cashback sa account mo. Okay? So, magre-replenish siya or magre-resume siya ulit by January next year. So, kung halimbawa, January pa lang tayo ngayon, January 2025, pagdating ng April 2025, na-reach mo na agad yung 15,000 na cashback. So, by May, stop na mag-accumulate yung cashback sa account mo. So, pwede ka ulit mag-earn ng cashback next year, January 2026. Ganun siya. And then, ito pong cashback ay non-transferable. So, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-transfer sa ibang tao. And yung cashback accumulation daw ay magsa-stop kapag naka-block yung credit card mo or of course, your account becomes delinquent. So, self-explanatory din naman yun. No? And then, tatandaan nyo na ang pwede lang mag-redeem ng cashback ay yung principal credit card holder ng Amore credit card. So, kung supplementary credit card holder ka, hindi ka pwedeng mag-redeem ng cashback. And then, ang redemption, of course, dapat current and in good credit standing yung inyong credit card or yung inyong account. Otherwise, hindi kayo pwedeng makapag-redeem. Okay? And then, once na nakapag-submit ka na ng valid redemption sa BPI, hindi mo na yun pwedeng i-cancel or i-revoke. So, diretso na nila ipoprocess yun. Kaya, siguro bago kayo mag-submit ng redemption nyo, make sure lang na buo na yung loob nyo or sure na kayo 100%. Kasi hindi na siya pwedeng i-cancel. Okay? And then, hindi rin siya pwedeng i-exchange for another items. So, remember kasi, di ba, meron tayong cashback, meron din sa ibang credit card na rewards points. So, sa rewards points kasi, may options ka to redeem. For example, may iba-iba kasing category doon, no? So, pwede mong i-exchange yung rewards points mo for something. So, yung cashback natin dito sa Amore, BPI Amore credit card, hindi siya pwedeng exchange for other items, kundi cash credit naman yung makukuha natin. Okay? So, Amore cashback redeem will be reflected within 15 working days. So, for example, ngayong araw ka nag-redeem ng iyong cashback, so wait ka ng within 15 days para mag-reflect siya sa iyong account. So, remember, cash credit yung makukuha natin dito. So, it will serve as a payment and will be deducted from our outstanding balance ng ating Amore credit card. Okay? So, kung halimbawa guys, na yung outstanding balance mo is mas maliit kesa doon sa na-redeem mo na cashback sa iyong Amore credit card, huwag kayong mag-alala kasi it will reflect as overpayment. So, ibig sabihin, pagdating ng next billing statement nyo, pwede nyo ulit gamitin yon para ipambayad doon sa outstanding balance nyo. Pero, kung kayo naman ay merong other credit cards with BPI, i-apply naman yun ni BPI yung excess payment mo or yung overpayment sa iba mo pang credit card na may outstanding balance. So, that's how it works. Okay? So, ano-ano ba yung mga transactions na hindi eligible to earn Amore cashback? So, unang-una yung cash advance. So, kung kayo ay nag-withdraw using your BPI Amore credit card sa ATM, hindi mag-earn ng cashback. And SIP loans, no, yung mga balance transfer, credit to cash, yung conversion ng credit limit into cash, and balance conversion, hindi siya nag-earn ng cashback. Also, yung mga transactions sa casino or gambling, money transfer, yung mga quasi-cash financial institution, political organization, and bail and bond payment, hindi siya mag-earn ng cash, ng reward, ng cashback. Okay? So, annual fees, finance or interest charges, cash advance transactions, late payment charges, disputed transactions, credit transactions, adjustments, and all fees related sa card replacement and cash advance, hindi rin mag-earn ng cashback reward. Okay? So, that's all guys yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo kasi I know na hindi naman tayo lahat ay masipag magbasa ng terms and conditions ng ating credit card. So, I did it for you na sinamarize ko lang yung mga important details na dapat alam talaga natin para naman ma-maximize natin yung cashback rewards na pwede nating makuha sa ating BPI Amore Cashback Credit Card and BPI Amore Platinum Cashback Credit Card. So kung may other questions pa kayo or clarifications, leave your comment below. I will try to answer. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you again on my next. Bye!